Rearing of silkworms. A female silk moth lays hundreds of eggs at a time. The eggs are stored carefully on strips of cloth or paper. These eggs are kept under hygienic conditions. The eggs are warmed to a suitable temperature for the larvae to hatch from eggs. The larvae, called caterpillars or silkworms, are provided with fresh mulberry leaves. They eat day and night and increase enormously in size. After 25 to 30 days, the caterpillars stop eating and move to a tiny chamber of bamboo in the tray to spin cocoons. The caterpillar or silkworm spins the cocoon inside which develops the silk moth. The cocoon process to get silk